This video is for everyone that's working on social media traffic like Facebook, Twitter, that's called X now, Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok, and other platforms. All you need is a smart link from Monetag. Special link is designed to take the visitor to the most relevant offer. So this is the main website of Monetag, and this is the smart link page. There are many smart links on different platforms and other CPA network, unlike other many platforms. So Montag has been in a market for many years and worked with the thousands of advertisers from all over the world, which means competitive CPM rates and good payout for publishers. Ads for users from any GEO, fast payout starting from just $5, 24 by 7 sport. After the registration, you log in a Monetag, then you get the link tag immediately. And one important thing is that when you register in a Monetag, then give the original data. Otherwise, in the future, you cannot withdraw your earning. Now, time to explore the dashboard of Monetag. First, we talk about the direct link. Here, you can get the smart link. Yes, then every smart link have the statistics. Then click on the statistics. Here, you can see the data in the CPM, earning, and impressions. Then there is another page that is called about payment. Here you can see your payment and the payout method or earning method, withdrawal method. Then go to the another option that is the refer program. Here you can get the refer link, then share. If any person register in the Monetag from your link, you will get the 5% commission. That's a good thing. So now I will tell you how to use the smart link. For your understanding, I will use an example for you. So now we will make a blog for use the direct link. So first we go to the blogger. Here we will make a blog. So go to and click the new post. So now we will make a article for this blog. So I will use AI that's called the Google Gemini. Here I will write give me a article on civic and also give links in article and then give. So now you see that AI give me an article on civics, and here give links also, because links is important for this, because the smart link will work on that links. So now you will see how I will use the links. So here I copy the article and here paste in the blog. Yeah, you see that it's pasted. So you see that a link. Here press the link and here you see the button. Then here and remove this and go to the direct link Monetag. Here copy your link and paste in there. Yes, apply. Here you see that the smart link is connected with this link. So now the article is ready. Now go to the publish button, then tap on confirm. Now you see the article is published. So now again open that blog and then go to the URL site and copy this URL and then open the Facebook. Now you see that the Facebook is open. Now I will make a post here. So I will return here is my new blog and copy that URL that I copy and then publish it. and it's done. So now go to the Monetag. Here you can go to statistics. So guys, if anyone see my post on Facebook, then copy that article. They will go to the blog, and in blog, if someone click on that link that I correct the smart link, then earning is start, and here you can see the earning. So now I will hope you will understand this topic. So now I hope you will understand how to use the smart link in a blog. So this video has come to the end. Thanks for watching, and like and subscribe this channel. Allah Hafiz.